Hi everyone, it's Royal Merchant from Tectar Solutions. In this tutorial, we are going to learn the sorting option that is available in Microsoft Word. So be with me. Now we are back in Microsoft Word and on my screen you can find country list. And I want to arrange this list into ascending or you may say into descending order. What I mean, I want to arrange this list in the order of A to Z or in the order of Z to A. So how I can do it? One way is to identify the country name and manually arrange it. Second, the smart way. Select your list like this. I have selected my complete list. Go to your home tab and here in the paragraph group you will find sort option. Click on it. This new dialog box of sort text will appear on your screen. Now you have the option to sort your list in the ascending order or the descending order. So right now we are interested to arrange this list in the ascending order. So select it and press OK. So you can see that the list has been sorted into ascending order. Now in the second example, I have a table having years, month number, month name and the sales amount. Now I want to arrange this table so that the oldest year become the first and the latest year become the last. Similarly, with the help of this month number, I want to arrange this month from Jan to December. So now how I can do it? First, select your table, go to your home tab and here you find sorting option. Click on it. Now this time I have to select header rows so that in the drop down I can find my table column names. Since first I want to arrange year, so select the year column and from here I want it to be arranged in the oldest to newest year. So select ascending and then I want to arrange it by month name. So for the arrangement of month name, I am using month column and again I am selecting ascending. Press OK. Now you can see that the oldest year, that is 2018, is appearing first and the list of month is also sorted. Similarly 2019 and after that 2020 is available on my screen with the sorted month name. So, if this tutorial has upskilled yourself, let me know by the help of comment, like, subscribe and also press the bell icon for future tutorial notifications. See you in the next tutorial. Happy learning!